you're going to make another mark, we have to put another paper there. Okay, guys, ready?
Yeah.
I want to tell you a little bit the story of Hanukkah, which we told already.
No more mochos. Yeah, no more.
Here, sit down.
See?
Here, sit down on the couch.
What? Oh, fine. I'll sit down on the couch.
Great sitting. Okay, Yosef.
Like this one,
Remember that there was a mean king? What was his name? Right. And he made a whole bunch of rules that the Jews were not allowed to keep the Torah and they weren't allowed to learn Torah.
And they weren't allowed to play dreidel. No, well, they weren't allowed to. They weren't allowed to
What were they?
Menorah.
Right. Well, there wasn't a menorah yet because Hanukkah didn't happen yet. This is why we like the menorahs.
But they didn't let them even daven them.
Right. They couldn't daven. They couldn't learn. So they used to send. Antiochus used to send soldiers around to see if anyone was learning Torah. So, okay, you ready, guys? Pretend you're learning Torah now. Learn Torah. And then here comes the soldier. Here comes the soldier. Hey! Are you guys learning Torah?
No, we're just playing with the dreidel. Oh, I can do it with some real dreidel.
Okay, why don't we get it? Hey, are you guys learning Torah?
No, we're just playing with the dreidel.
You're just playing dreidel? Well, if you're not learning Torah, then I guess I'll keep going. Bye-bye.
Bye. Let's play dreidel.
Okay, Yosef, now do you want to be the soldier?
Yeah.
Okay, so give yourself the dreidel. Okay.
Hey, guys, are you learning Torah? No, we're just playing the dreidel. Okay, so I guess I should leave. Let's see. Now it's Modest's turn.
My turn.
Yeah, and I do the whole bath.
Okay. No, you're not going to hold that yet. Maybe in a few years.
Torah.
Me? I'm not learning Torah. I'm just playing dreidel. I wouldn't learn Torah.
So I should leave. Bye.
Yisrael, what would you like to say to your mommy and daddy? Look at me.
I'd like to say bye-bye.
And what else?
Happy Hanukkah.
And anything else?
Life and bipe.
What?
Life and bipe.
Okay. Look at me. Wave to your parents. Say Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah.
Yosef,
Yes?
what would you like to say to your Ima and Abba?
Have a happy Hanukkah.
Anything else?
A rabbit head.
Okay.
Ah, yes.
Put it on your head.
One, two, picture of Aso. Like you, like Ali is
Pretty cool.
like you will be like Albie and your Epi Carlos, and there will be Eliezer, so Judah Maccabee. So Ali will be Judah Maccabee. Sarah will be Eliezer, and I'll be Epi Carlos, and you'll be one of my soldiers.
Okay, go.
So you must.
Wait. I just have a question.
Grandma.
Hi.
Where were you?
Here I
Can
am.
I go, please?
No.
Who had more soldiers, the Greeks or the Jews? Who? And who was stronger, the Greeks or the Jews?
The Greeks.
And who won?
The Jews.
How'd they win? How could they win if they were so little and so weak?
Some help.
Hashem helped. Hashem made a miracle.
Yeah, now when I want to read this play.
Okay.
In order to construct a
When I did this, that means over. Okay? Don't do it yet. When I started. Stop! I can still do it. No!
Okay, go. So is your mic on? Okay, Okay, now sing Enkelkenu, because that's my favorite. Parents, I want you to listen up to the Uncle Moisienu.
I want to sing that. How about the
No, first sing Enkelkenu, because that's my favorite.
No.
Yeah, please.
No.
Ready, go! Wait, what's going on, Yisrael? What's the problem? Yisrael's having a little bit of technical difficulties?
Yeah.
It's not on. It's not on, Yisrael.
Is that on?
Where's the button for on?
It's on.
Oh, okay. How come the microphone's not working?
Yes.
Okay, now sing David Melch. He's the one bunch after.
You sing and I do, okay?
Okay, I said go.
No, I need a microphone.
Okay.
I'll sing the microphone.
Can you have the microphone,
No,
Yisrael?
pretend like this. Microphone. No, you don't. It's better to do it with your hands. Why do you need the microphone? No. You can't keep it. I'm not. But not the speaker, okay? Okay. Go get my phone. I don't know. Where? Behind there.
What's the problem?
What about a one, a two. So you can use it at 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go. Don't know. It's the yeah. Don't know up there. No, Sam,
Callie. Callie, you want to sing? Na 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 na. What's this? I can't see it. Linda. Callie, come. Callie's eating. Hi, honey. Na 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 na. Callie, say hi. Say hi. Callie, what does a lion say? What does a lion say?
Where's that?
And you're taking pictures. That's Sarah. Hey, Sarah.
Coming.
Callie, what does a lion say?
No.
What does a dog say?
No.
Oh, Callie's too busy with that pizza. Hmm. Callie, what does a dog say?
Billy.
Callie. Callie, what does a dog say? Dog? What does a dog say?
There, go ahead and go away. Tell the show. Here.
Stand behind Holly so the camera can see Holly.
Oh, wait. You have a video?
I did that also.
You're pickles?
Yeah.
Oh, those are big pickles. What is that?
Pickle.
It's a cucumber.
Yeah.
Don't eat it, honey. It's a regular. No, it is a real one, but I don't want you to eat it because they need it for sauce. Thank you. I just don't want you to eat it.
Yeah, I didn't get her. I got her standing, but not getting there. I'd like to get her walking. It takes like 2 steps. Daddy, come. Say yay.
Oh my God.
Hooray. Hooray.
No, I have to do more.
I can eat it. Callie, you want to walk? Want to walk? Holly, show me what you have. What do you have? Tomatoes. Wow, great. Is it real? Yeah, it's a real tomato, but I didn't wash it yet, so don't eat it. I have to wash it first. How did it break?
I don't know.
I think you know.
You did what? Put them in the sink?
Yeah. I'll just try to get it.
Okay. And then eat them any different. Just to kill them and then you wait there for Shabbos. Yes.
Baby. That's how Callie says baby. Here. You want your baby? Wanna do Want your baby? You wanna walk, honey? Okay, just for 5 minutes, okay, guys? Okay.
Yes, that was the fun one. We can have some video for the family.
Ari, you wanna dance? Where's that?
Anyway, but now I'm going to pay all your bills. And you want to watch my friends company. And that's exactly what happened now. I'll go and finish it.
The magic show. Yes, I see 2 snakes.
Also had one bag of Shabbos trees.
Michelle, come in the magic show.
And all our teachers are organized. Because I read it the other day.
And now close your eyes.
Okay.
Pause the video.
Close your eyes. See, tie it around the snake.
Yeah.
She's on the snake.
Yeah, she's on the
Close your
snake.
eyes.
Okay.
That's how you see that.
No, it's not on the snake.
Oh,
I want
great.
you to know that you'll see Sonia.
Oh, wait. Put the snake on your head.
I should have paused it, you're right. He'll be disappointed when he watches.
No, he didn't.
You're so brave, Charlie. You're so brave. Hello, everybody.
Turn around here. Let me see your faces.
Abracadabra! Medic! Now look, it's all together.
Oh, wow. Now it's...
Now it's all big.
Oh, wow. Great magic.
Now it's all
Oh. Hi, Callie. Callie, hi. Sarah? Sarah, what are you reading? under there, the stingray?
Yeah. And then we take her like this. And we take her. Well, we cover the door. And we cover the door. And this arm's taken out.
Okay, I see that.
Rolling it, but it's off. But it's off. It's on the floor. But it's on the floor now.
Oh, now it's on the floor.
Now,